I got a very wonderful thing. You know what that wonderful thing is? Someone got a STD because of me fucking them. Whose ass? Who? Which husband's ass? So when I go to the prostitute, ask the prostitute, I don't insult. Whose ass? Which husband's ass? You know, there are only fucking rumors. So they think this will, what it will create. Huh? That I will never get a fuck and I shouldn't get fucked. So why? What they got to do? You watch your fucks now, Baba. Why do you care of my fucks? Why do you care of fucking my fucks? You watch your fucks now, Baba. When I went to that hooker, it's a job that, so you don't have to, sometimes you don't have to, what do you call it, fall for your own con. Whatever you do, you have to know that what you are doing. You don't have to insult. I'm that toothbrush where that turtle enjoys. You don't have to insult. And you just have to jerk off at the end. So, with a condominium on. Now you get this with a condominium. I got a phobia, Baba. I said I'm doing my job, I'm not doing it for pleasure. If pleasure would have been there, then I would have seen somewhere and stayed for the entire night over there. Stayed for the entire night. Or 2 days, or a week, or a month. And who got STD? Pussy or ass? Who got? Some garbage. They want to spread rumors that I fucked them and they got STD. I don't fuck prostitutes as well. And I'm going to fuck them, the scammers. Because these are worse from prostitutes. So they got STD. By who? Me fucking them. How? Then there should be some sign over here. Everyone is watching me from Edinburgh. So what do you? Where it is? There should be some symptoms or even a small tiny boil. Do you see anything like that? And I don't fucking insert. You know? If I got to do the pleasure thing, then it's 1 week alcohol and 1 week fox. That also not over here, but only in hotels. Only in hotels. They cannot blame me for anything that I took them to their house, to my house. Monty was a different thing. Monty used to visit me. I didn't go after Monty. Monty came by the house and she never left. With the date she came with, she never left with. Her date left and she never left. No? Monty was a different case. I used to live there alone in Tilapur. So anyways, so they wanted to talk about HDD, PCO and what ISD. Oh, zamana gaya hai. STD, PCO, ISD. You want to get some real STD, so what do you call it? Eat Beduk Chap's father's ass. You will get, not ass. What do you call it? He walks around you, you will get STD. So someone is spreading rumors about STD. STD, PCO, what? Why they are so jealous? Why don't they think about their own fox? Why they are worried of my fox? Huh? Everyone from the Eden bugs are watching me. Everyone from the Eden bugs are watching my entire stuff, entire thing. Do you see me any, what do you call it, any a dumb of thing I've been using? Any dumb, what do you call it, a dumb thing you have to use? No? Even I walk barefoot in the bathroom, I got an infection. Can you guess what? Huh? So today only I did that thing, the flooring. So, if you really want some STD, let these Bedukchak people walk around you. You will get STD, ISD, PCO, everything. And you go to the, and I go to the prostitute, I don't insult. I am that toothbrush in front of that turtle, enjoying turtle. And then the toothbrush, what do you call it? Spits out the toothpaste. What all rumors they are spreading? I got that on that. They sent me a notification in YouTube. Do you really think I'm gonna fuck anyone? So the one who took my T-shirt, they wanna say I've been fucking them, and I left my T-shirt there. The Leotude. अरे भेंचो, कम से कम मेरी ने खुद की तो इज्जत कर रखो। चौदम चादी तुम्हारे लिए मस्ती मजा हो गई, मतलब चौदम चादी ऐसा दुनिया में बताना। तुम लोग प्रोस्टिट्यूट से भी गए गुजरे, प्रोस्टिट्यूट भी नहीं बोलती वो चुदवा के आई। देखो इनके जितने बैंक फ्रॉड में जिनके पति है वो बोल रहे हैं क्या वो चुदवा के आते? नहीं बोलते वो। जो बोलने वाला ये तो बेंचो उससे भी गए गुजरा है।